Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to toast bagels, bread, and English muffins in the Ninja Foodi oven. If you want to see the full review of this unit, including roasting a chicken and potatoes, plus cleaning, I'll leave a link to that video right below this one. I'll also leave a link to the video where I show you how to make a frozen pizza in this unit. With this unit, you can toast up to 9 slices of bread at one time. The instructions are the same for toasting bagels, bread, or English muffins. There's no preheating in the toast mode. You'll press the toast function for the bread, the time slices to select the number of slices, and the temp shade button to select the darkness level. For bagels, you can toast up to 9 bagel slices at once. For toasting anything, place it on the wire rack and put the wire rack on level 3. I'm using classic white bread. This rack will fit 6 of these bigger slices of bread. With the regular size loaf bread, you could fit 9 slices. Press the power button. Use the plus and minus function button to choose toast. I'm going to choose the slices next. Got 6 slices. And the shade, I'll leave it at 3. Press start. Toast is lit up and the timer is going to count down. After about a minute, there's a very low noise that sounds like a fan. Time's up. By the way, all the steel parts are really hot, so be careful. Shade 3 is perfect for me because I like my bread lightly toasted. So it took 4 minutes and 20 seconds to toast the 6 slices of bread. The top of the bread has no color on all 6 slices. And the bottom has light golden color on all the slices. After the unit is cooled down, you can pull out the crumb tray and just wipe off the crumbs. You don't have to wash the crumb tray between each use, unless it's really dirty. Don't forget to put the crumb tray back when you're done cleaning. Now I'll toast bagels on the wire rack, again level 3. My favorite everything bagels were out of stock, so I got cinnamon raisin. I'm toasting 4 bagels. You can fit 4.5. I'll choose the bagel function. For the slices, 8 slices, and shade is 4. I'm just going to leave it on 4 and press start. Again, after a minute, you'll hear a low noise. Just like any toaster oven, bagels are always put cut side up on the rack. The bagels are toasted nicely, so I'm just going to turn the unit off. It took about 20 seconds, less than the original time. Of course, you can always check on it and stop at any time you like. Nicely toasted. All the slices look pretty even. The bottom is nicely toasted too. If you want it lightly toasted, I would take it out after 5 minutes. This was a little over 6 minutes. Now I'll do English muffins. These are 4 English muffins. By the way, if you can find this brand at your grocery store, definitely give it a try because these are really good, homemade tasting English muffins. I'll choose the toast function, 8 slices, and leave it on shade 3. There are heating elements on top and bottom to toast everything evenly. You know, with English muffins, they're never perfectly even. The bottom's a little bit thicker than the top half. The thinner halves are perfectly toasted. The thicker halves are toasted nicely, but they could use a few more seconds. The English muffins always take more time. More than the bagels and definitely more than regular toast. This Ninja toasted all 4 English muffins in a reasonable amount of time. In a 2 or 4 slice pop-up toaster oven, you would have to run it twice or 3 or 4 times to cook the number of slices of bread or bagels or English muffins that you can do in this large Ninja oven. Considering that, the time it takes Ninja to toast is pretty reasonable. This Ninja oven is really large, so you're not going to buy it just to toast bread or bagels. This is going to be almost a daily use oven. Just remember, this is an extra large unit and very heavy at over 33 pounds. So you do have to find a permanent space for it on your counter. I will try and put up more videos using other functions of this Ninja, so subscribe to stay tuned for that. I hope this was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up. If you want to get notifications of when I upload a new video, click on the bell icon and select all. And don't forget to turn on your notifications. Subscribe and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.